Hey, so today's March 2nd, 2025, and this is going to be day 237 of consistently helping people build consistency. So here's the thing. I'm going to assume that you're currently struggling with being consistent. I don't know, maybe like consistent. You want to be consistent at exercising, or you wanted to be consistent at studying. But the problem here is that you are currently struggling, okay? You're not consistent yet, okay? So you watch this video, you saw this video, and you click on this video with the expectation that, oh yeah, maybe like this video is gonna give me some practical guide on how to actually be consistent at doing my stuff. Well, okay, I'm gonna be clicking this video, and here you are, okay? So here's the thing. I'm gonna be assuming that you've been trying to be consistent, but you just cannot be consistent yet right now. So you have actually tried, but you failed. But one question, whenever you actually try to be consistent, whenever you actually show up doing your exercise, doing your studying, doing anything that you wanted to be consistent at, have you ever really say thank you to yourself for actually showing up that particular day? Because here's the thing, I don't know about you, right? But for most people, they never actually they wanted to be consistent. They struggle to be consistent. But once they actually make some progress on being consistent, they do not say thank you. They do not appreciate themselves for actually doing that thing. Okay? For actually making it, for actually doing the thing that they know they're supposed to be doing. So again, the question is, have you ever really appreciate yourself or say thank you to yourself whenever you actually manage to actually do the thing that you know you should be doing? Because here's the thing, imagine if there's this one friend that's really, really kind to you, he do good things to you, but you never appreciate them but you never actually appreciate him or her for actually doing all the good stuff, okay? But the thing here, every single time he or she managed to do a mistake, you always get mad at him or her. You really get really disappointed at him or her. So I don't know about you, right? But what if this one friend is actually you yourself, okay? You wanted to be consistent, you wanted to change your life. You actually change your life slowly, but you never say thank you. But whenever you fail to be consistent, you always really get mad at yourself, okay? So here's the thing, one of the best ways, right? One of the best ways on how to actually be consistent at doing positive things like exercising, studying, practicing your art, anything, is to basically just say thank you. Just appreciate yourself whenever you actually manage to do your personal daily target, okay? And I'm not saying it, just saying thank you as in a sense of, making it a routine and also like a formality. No, I'm saying that you actually appreciate yourself from your heart, okay? So you actually meant it, okay? When you say thank you for doing your workout to yourself, thank you for doing your studying to yourself, you actually meant it from your heart, okay? So why it's gonna be effective in order to help us be consistent? Because here's the thing, we as humans, we have the nature that we are gonna be having a higher probability to repeat a thing when we feel like we are being appreciated to do it. Oh yeah, I exercise, and then somebody say thank you to me. Well, whoa, I'm being appreciated for investing my time, investing my energy, doing the right thing. You know what? I'm also going to be doing it again in the future, right? Because somebody actually cared. And the point that I'm trying to make here is that why don't you make that one person to be yourself? Okay, just say thank you to yourself because you actually you deserve to got a thank you. Okay, for actually caring about your life, right? You even watch this video right here, right now, meant that you wanted to be changing your life, right? To be consistent at doing positive things. So yeah, that's how you actually be consistent at doing positive things. I hope this video helps. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, you can also join our Discord. Bye bye. Oh, and hey, for today's date authenticity post, March 2nd, 2025, and memes are posted a an average Fast and Furious experience. Thank you.